Okay, so for this next section, I wanted to describe different AI solution techniques. We all want the kind of smartest trained model that's out there. Maybe you want to build your own model, but do you actually have the resources to do so? And the answer is probably not. You don't want to spend all of that time and GPU power to do a fully trained model like larger companies do or academic research companies do. So if you think about the progression, the least effective, but the one that most people use, is to just give context within prompt engineering, which means that this is all in context learning of that foundational model to read from different data sources. Same for RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation. These are all within your context window. Your ChatGPT is reading this information, creating some embeddings, and then answering to the best of its abilities. What people have been building in the past are these fine-tuning models. Maybe there's different types of output that you want it to create. Maybe you want to optimize the cost to run, but this takes a little bit more effort. You can do enterprise-based fine-tuning, which means that your foundational models now learn these type of behaviors, and your context window can grow in size because it doesn't have to learn it for that particular instance. And so if you think about this optimization path, it could follow multiple steps, and kind of the subsequent sections I'll talk about, how can you do context optimization, which is what the model needs to know, versus the large language model doing the optimization, which is how the model would act. And maybe you would start off with prompts, adding a few shots for that prompting to see what your reviews are, doing RAG, simple retrieval of some base knowledge data. Maybe you then fine tune the model a little bit, and maybe you can add on additional fact checking steps for iterating on it. And then maybe you add some more RAG content to training examples. So all this can work together. It's not just exclusively doing prompt engineering, RAG, or fine tuning, but there is a path to get you to the model responding the way you want it to.